Welcome back to Will and Dad's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going on a 3-hour-long canoe trip with the Thorncrest Outfitters. Is the water cold?
It's not too bad. It's pretty cold considering it's the summer.
Okay. Whoa.
Well, it's supposed to. Give it a shot. Yeah. See? Beauty. Here, let's see him. Swing him back here. Oh, it's a rainbow. Oh, closer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There, good. A beautiful little rainbow. Let's take a look. Nice job, Willie. The water's a bit muddy today. Whoa. You got him? Okay. Which side are you bringing them around?
Right side.
Okay. Where is he?
No!
He got off.
That thing must have been a giant.
There's more fish jumping up ahead of you.
That freaking like hurt my hand.
He was pulling, wasn't he?
Oh my gosh.
Get stable, Will. Get stable. Another rock. Okay, I see it. Whew. Sheesh, what's that noise up ahead? Yep. So here's the next lure we're going to try. This is a blue fox. It's got a little rattle in it. It's got a nice big spoon on it, treble hook and some feathers. So oh, first cast. Okay, what do we got here? We got a nice, open your bail. Immediate, first cast. Whoa, 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 stay in the net, boy. Rainbow, yeah, nice one. Hold him up quick. Nope, look at me. Okay. Just gonna say hold him up for the camera for a sec. Yeah. Don't worry, I got it. Yeah. Holy smokes! Fish up there is scooped by the canoe.
Yeah. I guess. Can I cast one more? Alright. Right there, boom. Come on, right there. Come on, come on. Get him. Right there. And no. Alright.
Hold on.
One on the left, big rock on the left, but we're good. Ooh. No.
Okay, if we're gonna go down this side, it looks like it's pretty rapidy, so
Oh,
we gotta
God.
get really figuring.
Yeah.
Yo, I said you were in the net side.
Dude.
Okay, let's go down the other side of this tunnel. Oh, I guess the wind's gonna decide.
The wind wanted to take us this way,
Okay,
so
you are
we
going
did.
to have to reel in, and I think set your rod down
God,
behind you.
I better hook
Come
up
on,
too.
come on. You gonna hook it up? Yeah, that's a good idea.
Hook it up, put it down there.
That's fine.
Should I grab paddle?
If you want.
Oh gosh. Yo, no, please, yes. No, why are we sideways? Why are we sideways? Why are we sideways?
What's going on here?
Why are we backward?
Why are we backward even?
Oh, there's a log up there, looks like. See that log? See it?
Yeah.
Whole tree. Whole big tree.
Ahead. Look at that. Here, pass it back to me. I'll take a couple shots of that thing.
You got it?
Yep.
I hope you can catch fish today.
That'd be nice.
Huh?
That'd be nice.
It'd be nice to go hot.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Exploration time.
And coyotes.
Yeah.
Here's a step down a coyote.
There's the deer.
Deer. You should see deer?
I'd say.
Oh, bro, look at that, guys. Just the best.
Yep.
I bet maybe their antlers were there. And maybe they took it home. Oh,
How was your Saugeen canoeing experience?
Fun.
Fun?
Yeah.
Good. What did you like about it?
I liked that we went fishing and I caught 2 trout.
You got it? Okay, we made it.
We started at 9 and ended at 1. I caught 2 trout, and I think that it was very fun and exciting. If you enjoyed, smash that like button and smack that subscribe button. Bye for now.